In today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn your images into a video. Just something to notice that this feature doesn't work on images that have faces on them. Let's click on this headphone that we want to turn into a video. Once it's highlighted, we are going to go over to edit here and we'll come to the Magic Studio. We're going to scroll this way to see image to video. I'm going to quickly click on it. You can generate a 3-second video. If you want to have a custom prompt, you can type in your ideal prompt here, but I'm going to stick to the smart and I'm going to ask it to just generate me a 3-second video. Isn't this cool for a product video? Like, this is super cool. I like this. I'm going to scroll down and click on add to design. It will replace the original stuff I have here. I can now spread it and continue designing however I want to structure my design. Let me know if you'll be trying this in the comments, and like this video if you got value from it.